In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space in your Gmail and Google storage. As many of us depend on Google services for emails, documents, and photos, running out of storage can be a significant problem. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple yet effective steps to reclaim your space. First, it's essential to understand what consumes your Google storage. Google offers a total of 15 gigabytes of free storage per account, which is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Over time, this can fill up with emails, files, and photos. Let's dive into how you can free up some of that valuable space. Begin by focusing on Gmail. Open your Gmail account and locate the search bar at the top. Type larger toward 10M to filter emails larger than 10 megabytes. These emails often contain large attachments and are prime candidates for deletion. Go through the results and determine what's no longer needed. Remember, you can always download attachments that you might want to keep on your computer before deleting the email. Empty the trash after you've deleted emails to ensure your storage is freed up. Now, let's move to Google Drive. This platform is convenient for storing various files, but it can quickly consume space. Head over to Google Drive and switch to the Large Items view by clicking Storage in the left sidebar. This view sorts files by size, allowing you to easily identify significant space eaters. Examine the files and delete those that are unnecessary or can be stored elsewhere. Again, don't forget to empty your trash afterward. Next, we'll check on Google Photos. Open Google Photos and select Storage under the Settings menu. Choose Recover Storage to convert your files to the high-quality setting, which compresses photos and videos without noticeably reducing quality. This setting offers unlimited storage but might take up to 24 hours to apply. Review your photos and delete any duplicates or low-quality images. The Utilities option also provides an easy way to review and delete blurry photos or large videos that are hogging space. Lastly, there's a simple trick to see what's using the most space across all Google services. Visit the Google One website, which provides a detailed breakdown of your usage. It's an excellent tool for making informed decisions about what to keep and what to let go. And there you have it, some practical steps to manage your Google storage effectively. Regular maintenance is key, so consider setting aside time every few months to clear out unnecessary files, just like you would with spring cleaning in your home. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides on managing digital spaces efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.